Come between. Come between. To interfere with a relationship between two people. I don't want anything or anyone to come between us. Get back. Get back. To retrieve something. Johnny got his pencil back from Emma. Get away. Get away. To escape or to leave a place. We went home to get away from the crowd. Give up. Give up. To stop trying. The book was so long and tedious that I gave up and didn't finish it. Go out with. Go out with. To have a romantic date. Manisha was so excited when John asked her to go out with him. Go ahead. Go ahead. To permit to do something. Go ahead. I won't interrupt you anymore. Hold on. Hold on. You can use it to tell someone to stop or wait for a minute. Besides, it means to continue to do something in a challenging situation. Hold on. That's not what I'm trying to say. You just need to hold on until the doctor arrived. Turn on, turn off. To make something start working or stop it working by pushing a button or moving a switch. The show is on, please turn on the TV. Switch off the lamp. Throw away. Throw away. To get rid of something that you no longer need. Let's throw away all broken toys to clear a space for new ones. Go on. Go on. To continue. The machine will go on digging until they hit a water pipe. Hold back. Hold back. To prevent someone from doing something. I wanted to become an architect, but my bad grades held me back. Show off. Show off. To display abilities or accomplishments in order to impress others. He is showing off the money. Take out. Take out. To move something outside. Please take out the garbage before dinner. Think over. Think over. To consider something. Don't quit the job, think over again.